If you keep on putting out content and content and content, and you just don't actually see the statistics of this content, and you also don't really want to pay for something, then I have got the most amazing tool for you. You have got to check this out. So this is a tool called Metricool, and it is by far the best tool that I have found that I can see all of my statistics. I mean, look at all the statistics it actually shows you. And this is free, guys. All of it is free, and you can actually track your content and see what is doing well. All you got to do is you got to connect your social media platforms right here, and you can even connect your Google business with this. So this is a very, very powerful tool. Another great thing about this tool is that you can actually answer all of your social media platform inboxes right here in one spot. Now this is absolutely insane if you ask me, because you don't have to go to Facebook and then to Instagram and then to TikTok and then to YouTube and all the connected platforms. You can just answer all of it in one place. Then the next thing that I want to show you guys, check how amazing this is. For instance, this is my Facebook. And you can see that there's some scheduled posts in there. But the best thing about this is it actually analyzes your social media platform for you. And you can see that where it's the darkest, this is, for instance, 3 o'clock. That's when your viewers are online. So now you even know when you have to post your content and schedule your content. So guys, that's it. It is called Metricool, and this is what it looks like, and it is absolutely free. I hope that this has blessed you.